Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I will be doing the passion twist tutorial. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into this video. So to begin, I am going to use the Carol's Daughter Mimosa hair pomade, and I am going to apply this to my hair. Once that is done, I am going to begin to twist my hair. So I will be using the Tokyo Tress hair, and this is 18 inches and in the color 1B. So what I'm doing is taking 4 strands of hair and starting on the base. I am starting with 3-strand braiding, like an inch of 3-strand braiding, and then after that I am just twisting the rest.
Spirit of things, we lose our sight when we put our trust in things of this material world, where things that fade away, yet we keep coming back, 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 keep coming back. Of things we know. We lose ourselves in the spirit of things. We lose our sight when we put our trust in things of this material world, of things that fade away, yet we keep coming back, 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 keep
guys, so now that I am finished with braiding all the hair or twisting all the hair, I am going to take a strand of hair and separate this strand into two. Like that. So I'm going to go ahead and separate a couple more strands into two and then crochet it into the twist.
Spirit of things, we lose our sight when we put our trust in things of this material world. The things that fade away, yet we keep coming back, 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 keep coming back. Of things we know.
Tryna put him in the worst mood. P1 cleaner than the church shoes. Really point two just to hurt them. All red lamps to tease them. None of these toys on lease to. Made the whole year in a week to. Main chick out of their league too.
Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. If you like this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any comments and suggestions, please do not hesitate to leave them down in the comment section below. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!
Feel any pain? Look what you've done.